The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is causing a lot of excitement, especially since Samsung's main phone releases for the year have concluded, shifting attention to 2024. This upcoming flagship, succeeding the S23 Ultra, is renowned for its impressive performance, long-lasting battery, and outstanding camera capabilities. Rumors are circulating about significant upgrades, including a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip and an improved telephoto lens for the camera. Samsung may also enhance the display rate and adopt a stacked battery design for better battery life. While the overall design might not change drastically, there's talk of introducing bezels to the display and potentially using titanium sides instead of armor aluminum. Leaks suggest there will be 4 color options with exclusive choices available through Samsung stores. The design might undergo slight modifications, such as squared edges and adjustments to camera sizes. The 6.8-inch screen is expected to remain, featuring a peak brightness of 2500 nits, a significant improvement from the S23 Ultra. The display may also see a refresh rate increase to 144 Hz, catering to gaming enthusiasts. Camera improvements include a 200-megapixel main shooter, 10-megapixel 3x, and 50-megapixel 5x zoom lenses. Samsung's Zoom Anyplace camera technology aims to enhance zoom capabilities through AI and parallel image processing. Powering the S24 Ultra is expected to be Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, with the possibility of Exynos chips in certain regions. Benchmarks indicate promising performance, narrowing the gap with Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max. The Adreno GPU is said to offer a 25% improvement in graphics capabilities. There are rumors about the inclusion of satellite connectivity for emergency messages. A new stacked battery design could lead to a faster charging speed of 65 watts. Samsung's One UI for the S24 series is anticipated to include AI features like Samsung GAS, assisting with tasks such as composing emails and translating content. The S24 Ultra is expected to run AI models locally without requiring constant connectivity. However, there are speculations about certain AI features being restricted or locked. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.